Los Angeles is currently experiencing an extreme fire weather condition with red flag alert. Currently, the fire is at 1,261 acres and growing based on aerial reconnaissance. The fire is being fueled by a combination of strong winds and surrounding topography, which is making it extremely challenging for our personnel that are assigned to this incident.
By no stretch of the imagination are we out of the woods. You heard a chief say 10 p.m. tonight to 5 a.m. tomorrow will be peak winds. And having just quite literally an hour or so ago gone up the canyon and saw firsthand the impact of these swirling winds and the embers and the number of structures that are destroyed, not a few, many structures already destroyed, and the fact that people were still not evacuated, still did not heed the warning, we're just coming down the canyon, is a reminder of how serious this moment is and how important it is you listen to these evacuation orders.
Rada, waiting for some air support.
So they're dealing with this. They're 90 years old, and through the state of California, because of this, they're 90 years old, that they've lived in this house for 75 years, and they've had the same insurance, and these insurance people decided to cancel their fire. And we're going through this, and it just happened, and they have no fire insurance. I snuck here. You know, there's a will, there's a way. Probably shouldn't do it, but you know what? Under the circumstances, send me to jail. That's fine. There's no words to even describe how heartbreaking. That's a life. That's your entire life. You don't get that back. The memories are gone. I hope they're alive. No, I've never seen a firestorm like this. This is like Paradise, California. If you drive through Hastings Ranch and you go up to the top, it's an inferno. This is the worst thing you could wish in someone's life aside from death.
You're here now. When do you leave? He's here, her mother's here. And you know that there's others. Let me tell you, the majority of the homes in this community are still standing. We drove past many on the lower side that are still standing, but the night is gone.
We're in the Palisades Highlands and the fire road is literally on fire.
So is the fire to GTH? Yeah, they're back to the GTH. Where?